For those that can't sleep or need those comforting, soothing nature sounds in order to have a beautiful sound sleep, here's a more efficient and reliable way.
iOS users, what if I told you?
Those soothing rain and bird sounds for sleeping or insomnia, studying and relaxing are already on your Apple devices.
Yes, they are.
So today I'm going to show you a faster and reliable method in achieving this,
Hereby saving you a lot of data,
energy, and on-screen time. While some of these content creators make rain sounds and still having to include a bright screen video or having a short-length video where you start waking up in the middle of your beauty sleep, hereby defeating the purpose of that very sound. You might find this tip very helpful. So on your iPhone, go to your settings. After clicking on the settings icon, you would want to scroll to your search bar and search for the word audio. Then you click on the tab which indicates audio and visual, which will take you straight to this interface. What you want to click on next is background sounds, and toggle it on for this part. Then click on sound, and you have your options to choose from, such as balanced noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean, rain, and stream. I think my favorite of these options would be stream, second to rain. And if you're not someone who uses these sounds, trust me, you might want to give this a try.
You know how some praise for rainfall, just so they can have a sound sleep. That's how this works.
If you want me to show you how to include this setup in your drop bar for easy access, you can let me know in the comments section.
Tell me how you feel about this video and if you'd like to see more discoveries.
So prior to making this video, I was feeling reluctant about getting in front of the camera. Then I decided to be creative by using this visuals and artificial sound. I hope you like it.
If you're interested, I can also show you how to make this kind of video.
Although your case might not be laziness, you might just be a little camera shy or do not feel like showing your face, but have something to tell the public. I can show you how to turn your typed words into an audio and make something like this.
Anyways guys, follow at Josiahsmiles for more amazing and inspiring content.
DM or leave a comment, let me teach or bring your ideas to life.
You don't have to face the camera, not if you want to.